5 minus 5 times 5 minus 5. Can you tell me what will be the answer for this question? There are two different opinions to solve this question. They have different answers. The first group solve 5 minus 5 is 0 times 5 minus 5, 0, 0 times 0, they will get 0. And the second group first multiply, then this subtraction, then this subtraction. So which one will be correct? Let us handle this question. 5 minus 5 is 0. Are you agree? Again, here is 5 minus 5, we will get 0. Here is multiplication, so we will multiply 0 and 0, so our answer will be equal to 0. It means 0 will be our answer. Is it okay? No. Remember that it is not okay. Why it is not okay? Because we have to multiply first according to PEMDAS. We have parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication, then division, then addition, and finally subtraction. It means our first step to handle this question, parentheses, no exponent, here is exponent, no exponent missing. So multiplication will be our first step. Here you are looking multiplication. We will multiply first to get this one as 25, and this will be taken as it is. Now we have to handle this subtraction first, and our final step will be this subtraction. So 5 minus 25 equals minus 20 minus 5. After adding these two numbers or subtracting these two numbers, we will have minus 25, which will be the correct answer for this PEMDAS based question. Thank you.